you going to start or should I start?
It's going to be fun.
Yes, it is. Hello, everyone. We are live, I think.
Are we live?
Are we? Okay, great. Hi. Thanks for joining Akshay sir and me for our Facebook live conversation with you guys for our film Toiletic Prem Katha that's
I
going
must
to
say,
release.
Bhumi, you have improved so much.
Oh my God.
This doesn't look like your second film. You've done many films by now, I think. The way you're doing this Facebook live and... Come on. Now let's talk.
Now okay, why don't you say, because you've done so many more films than me. So
Yeah, but this is the first...
you should clearly talk.
So, I think you can't hear.
The thing is that we are trying to get the live video, but okay, here it is.
Yeah, but whom are we talking to?
I don't know because, okay, people are coming in. There are about 2K people more. Oh wow, see the way it's going up.
Why don't you guys tell everyone what we're here to do and what we're talking about today? We're at the Facebook office.
Okay, so we are here for Toiletic Prem Katha, which we have made this film in a span of 6 months, and it's a very special film. It's not a movie for us, it's a motion. Do go and watch it. It's about keeping India clean. It's a funny film, 2.5 hours of just comedy. The last 10 minutes it becomes a little serious, but you learn a lot from this film. Bhumi's character is great because it is inspired from true incidents, and Bhumi shall tell you guys about what her character is. So Bhumi,
Yes, guys, I have a lot of information to give you about our film and about both my character. First. So my character is called Jaya. This film is set in the heartland of India in Uttar Pradesh. My character is inspired from a real life incident that happened in India where a girl left her husband because he did not have a bathroom, a toilet in his house. Jaya basically is opinionated. She's strong. She's aware of her rights, and she's not going to take shit from anybody. But at the same time, she believes in her culture. She believes in her value system, and she's just not a rebel without a cause. But because she's aware of her rights, she is going to fight for them till the end. And she's madly in love with Keshav, and Keshav doesn't have a toilet. And now so we'll speak about Keshav.
Keshav, no, I'm just reading. Hello, Bhumiji. Kanchan Tanguriya. Hello, Bhumiji. Love you a lot, and it's gone away now. All right. So, toilet की टिकट बुक कर ली है सर. Congrats, sir. आखिर मैं तो कल ही के लिए तैयार हूँ. शोभित Kumar. So, guys, is there anybody who has some questions to ask so we can answer?
By the way, we've started our advance booking for our film Toiletic Prem Katha has started on Paytm, so please go book your tickets. Woo!
Right.
So while the questions are coming in, सबसे पहले तो toilet is releasing. Congratulations to the both of you.
Yay.
The trailers look amazing. Why the plot for Toilet? Why did you think that this movie was important for fans to see, for you guys to make it? Please.
It is, it's an important thing. As you guys know, about 8 months back, I had come across that India, 54% of Indians don't have toilets at home because some people are there who can't afford it. Some people are there जो रखना नहीं चाहते because उनकी नीयत नहीं है. So I found this subject very relevant with India, and you guys will be happy to know that because of media, because of social media, because of the movie, and because of the government, now the 54% has gone to 34%, and so people have started being aware. I'm so happy that on newspapers and or on channels, people have started putting about toilet. Anything about related to toilet on their front pages, on their first page, and the channels are running about 40-45 minutes of content on it, and that's it. And it's a very important film, guys. I did watch it last night with some of IS officers and some of the leaders of our country, and I'm telling you, even I was shocked. I didn't understand it. Like I said, suddenly the movie had taken off so well. I hope, I pray, and I keep my fingers crossed that you guys like this film. And it's a very important film. I just hope that I get as many eyeballs as possible. It's not about the money, how much the movie is going to earn money. On the contrary, I'm on the verge of talking with people to take these movies to villages and show them free of cost, because we want the whole thing to change. And we have about 1.5 years to make India open defecation free. So that was my speech, and now over to Bhumi.
Can everyone just clap for that?
There's a lot of information.
Bhumi, please share your thoughts. Why is this movie so important?
Well, let me start off by saying that I did not realize how grave the situation in India was, how grave the open defecation situation in India was till I became a part of this film. I come from a privileged family where I've always had access to a toilet. It was only after I got associated with this film that I realized that especially for women, the situation is so bad. I mean, just imagine, as Sir said, 34% of our country still defecates in the open, in which obviously most of them are women as well. Men can go wherever they want, even though it's wrong. But for women, it is so difficult because they can only go before the sun rises or after the sun sets, right? Because it's dark then, because they have to go defecate in the open. And then in the middle, for those 12-14 hours, guys, they don't have access to a bathroom. They don't have access to a toilet. They are working in that time. They are busy, They are physically straining themselves a lot. Not only is this a health issue, but it also is a very big risk to their security. So do you want to talk about the security bit of it, or I can continue? Because then you will be like, you talk a lot.
No, I'm looking at all your questions.
I rather.
So everybody is talking about how beautiful you're looking, Bhumi.
Oh, thank you, guys. That feels really good considering we've just come in from Delhi, straight from the airport. But thank you so much. I'm going to speak a lot more now. So, what was I telling them? Yes, it's a very big. No, I wasn't. Stop it. it's a very big threat to their security as well, because it's dark. You can be bit by insects, you can be bit by different rodents, snakes, and not only that, 30% of rape cases in India happen when women go defecate in the open. That's a very, very, very high number. That's because they are the most vulnerable then, correct? It's dark, you never know, somebody is going to film you, somebody might take a picture, they'll rape you, they'll attack you. It is so sad. It goes beyond me that in 2017, women have to deal with this ordeal. Like, it just amazes me, and I can keep talking about it, but I think now Akshay sir should sort of.
No, I think we should. Can we take some questions or something?
Yes.
So we will definitely talk a little bit more about toilet, but are you guys ready to have some fun?
Yeah, we are ready to have some fun.
So your fans have been waiting to sing live with you, because this is going to be the first ever karaoke
Yeah,
live.
come on, Bhumi.
So are you guys ready for that?
Considering I didn't get to sing in the film and Sir did, I think I'm very excited. I'm going to show the singer in me on our Facebook live show.
So
We'll unlock the phone for you.
sorry.
Yes, please.
All right.
You can tell your name.
So whenever you're ready, just give us a cue of
All right.
one.
So can I go behind so I can see
yeah.
the lyrics? Actually, I know the lyrics.
No.
Exactly what are we gonna
You're
do
already
right
here.
now?
You're on the frame. No worries.
She can come and
Not
sit here.
frame. I want to see the lyrics.
Oh, okay.
I'm not such a footage-hungry person.
Come.
Stand here. Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ding, ding. Oh, okay. India leads the world in open defecation. We don't have the lyrics here. Duniya chali Mars pe. Ready?
1 second.
The lyrics are not there in the video.
No, lyrics are there. But you were going to play the music.
Back home can hear the music.
Oh, who's going to say that?
Guys, it's our first time doing this, so just like bear with us.
Okay.
So well, let's do it once more. We'll start once
Sure.
again.
So there's no music here.
So we can.
We can't play it on the speaker.
Precisely why I started singing and you did.
Right. Now, चली मार्स पे चांद ज़मीं पे बिक रहे हो अभी नहीं अरे ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट से कलर हुआ अब 3D में सब दिख रहे हो सारों चढ़ गए एवरेस्ट का पहाड़ भैया धाड़ 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 कर ले अब तो टॉयलेट का जुगाड़ ओ भैया धाड़ 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 कर ले
टॉयलेट का जुगाड़ Stop it.
कब तक ले दो तू पेड़ों
की आड़ भैया धाड़ 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 कर ले अब तो टॉयलेट का जुगाड़
Just guys, hear the music. Now just remember, hear the wording. The lyrics are one of the best lyrics. क्योंकि बढ़ तो लाज शर्म सभ्यता यही सिखाए
घूंघट खींचो पेट तक बैठो साड़ी उठाए भाभी निकली तड़के तड़के लड़के बड़े लड़के तू तेल की धार भैया धार 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 कर ले अब तो टॉयलेट का जुगाड़ भैया धार 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 कर ले अब तो टॉयलेट का जुगाड़ ले दो तू खम्बो की आड़ भैया धार 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 कर ले अब तो टॉयलेट का जुगाड़ देख रही है देश की गलियां सांस लेना हो गए मुहाल स्वच्छ बनेगा भारत खुद ही देख ले अपने घर का नदी किनारे बैठेगा तू सब पानी में मिल जाएगा वही बहेगा नलकों से फिर उसको ही तू पी जाएगा हाथ लेकर इज्जत अपनी खड़ा है तू क्यों मैदानों में
दिखे कोई जो धार मारता रपट मिला दू तुम थानों में
शाहनगर तू धोती पहनना छोड़ दे परंपरा नहीं हटाए
आर तू लेना छोड़ दे
आर तू लेना छोड़ दे आर तू लेना छोड़ दे
दिल कर मौका
ना सभ्यता पे फाड़ भैया धार 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 कर ले अब तो टॉयलेट का जुगाड़ भैया धार 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 कर ले अब तो टॉयलेट का जुगाड़ धार 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 कर ले अब तो टॉयलेट का जुगाड़
नसें निकलाई
I'm sitting in that toilet squatting position.
But I'm telling you, ये गाना एक झटके में गाना नसें निकलाती है.
Yeah, because literally like breathless.
Yeah, it
You
is.
get-
Breath like that breathless song.
Yeah.
That breathless song.
Shankar, Miss Shankar, Mahadevan sir.
I forgot.
कोई जो मिला तो मुझे
Okay. So there's something
Else
firstly
also.
amazing. Can we all just clap for the amazing karaoke
outstanding singing talent in this room.
performance?
Yeah. There's a lot of people saying अभी इसके बाद कभी मत गाना.
And there are a lot of people thanking you for picking this subject. I think Akshay sir deserves a round of applause for supporting a film like Toilet. He's going to slap me now.
Right.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, so while we're doing that, we're also live on another device, which is right in my hand, and a fan is going to join to actually have an exclusive one-on-one chat with you guys.
Oh,
So you're
wow.
ready for
so am I going to be
More
seeing him
fun.
there, or
Are you going
here?
to give out here?
You will see it
You're
there.
actually going to see
You
him
will
here.
see it there.
Or-
Yes.
Or visually is he going to come?
You will see it
That'll
there
be
on
some
your screen.
super sick technology, like.
Yeah, but that technology
But it's
is there.
Facebook. Anything can happen, right?
Yes. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Okay, I'm just going to turn the camera on, and right here.
Oh,
There you
hi. Where's the?
Okay.
Okay, one second.
Do you see the
This
fan?
one, this
Yeah. There.
Yeah.
करीबन
Yeah.
4 आदमी
But
हैं.
now we can't. He can't see, sir.
Can you see yourself? Oh,
But
Yes.
can we hold
Yes,
it?
just stop.
you
Yeah.
want to hold it?
Yeah.
Hi. Hi, bud.
हेलो. क्या नाम है आपका? मुकेश तिवारी. जी मेरे साथ मेरी हीरोइन भूमि जी हैं.
Hello, Mukesh ji.
मुकेश जी.
Hello, Mr. Tiwari. Hello, Mukesh.
यस मुकेश जी कहाँ से हैं आप? हाँ जी
वाह. उत्तराखंड से हैं ये.
उत्तराखंड से.
मैंने 2 फिल्में शूट की है ऋषिकेश में.
तो ये आपके यहाँ ये रात क्यों नजर आ रही है? अच्छा इंडोर में आप. हाँ.
Actually, ask him what. तो मुकेश जी आपने हमारा ट्रेलर देखा होगा.
Why don't you ask him? आपके मुकेश जी आपके पास शौचालय है घर में? मुकेश जी आपके पास टॉयलेट है घर में?
टॉयलेट है टॉयलेट घर में.
मुकेश जी
कहाँ है आप?
So
Mukesh ji.
we'll try and get Mukesh ji back.
Yeah.
What we can do in the meantime is get ready for the fun game.
Build the
Okay.
blocks. I'm
Mukesh
ready.
ji.
Where's my team?
नहीं सुनाई दे रहा, he can't hear you. Da-da.
Awesome. So, you know,
Yeah.
मतलब you guys have been traveling all over the country to promote.
वीरेंद्र कुमार जी ऐसा मत करिए.
क्या बोल रहे? If you don't
वीरेंद्र
talk
कुमार
to
जी
me,
बोले if you don't talk to me I'll never watch your movie. वीरेंद्र कुमार जी please ऐसा मत
that's
करिए.
heartbreaking. Please just say hello. Actually, we've spoken to him, so now he'll watch it. Aki, so you're waiting, you're wanting to go to the cross legs. Lion.
Okay, yeah. What were you saying?
Yeah, sorry.
Unless if you guys want to
Okay,
go
so
and read some more
we're
fan
gonna-
comments.
Oh, yeah, sure, we can.
So, what kind of fan experiences have you had? Like, you know, I'm sure you guys have traveled all over the country to promote Toilet. Has anyone like come up to you and shared like a very interesting story, something, you know, sweet, emotional, anything that you want to share?
Go ahead, Bhumi. One of your experience of your fans.
Well, you know, clearly I've only done 2 films, so he has all
Yeah,
the fans,
I-
and he has all the real die-hard ones like Aki, Akians, Akistan. So you should give us.
No, let me tell you about her fans. I know one fan, and he stays somewhere in kahan? Juhu pe na?
Huh?
And he stays there. So he wanted her for this movie, and so he got her in this movie, and she's been very kind to this fan, and she did this movie. So Bhumi ji,
Stop.
what do you have to say about that fan of yours?
Actually, I'm a bigger fan of that fan, especially after doing this film. I've become his biggest fan. So this is like a mutual admiration club. We can. I hope you were talking about yourself, and I've just not assumed.
No, I was not.
Then, who's in Juhu?
Shri.
Shri is a
Okay.
director, by the way. Shri Narayan Singh. He's amazing, and he's done a phenomenal job with this film.
I'm talking about the bodyguard of mine. His name is also Shri, na?
Okay. Thank
your
you, Shri
fan.
Bhaiya. I know you're in the room. Thank you.
No, he's
Thank
not.
you.
He's
आपकी वजह से मुझे मैं ये फिल्म में हूँ. But yeah.
Okay. So yeah, you wanted us. We wanted to. What are these blocks?
Okay, so down to the next activity. क्योंकि हम आप पूरे देश में जाके नए टॉयलेट्स बना रहे हैं, so we thought maybe we'll play a little fun game, which
Okay.
might inspire some more people to build toilets. So this is.
So we have to make toilets.
Yes, and
with these
fans,
blocks.
with the help of fans. Yes.
Okay.
Are you
So
guys ready?
can we toss who goes first?
Yes, let's do that. Or,
Ladies first.
go team Bhumi.
Come on, Team Bhumi.
Introduce
Girls
yourself,
power.
Introduce yourself.
Okay,
Arey,
wait.
naam to pooch.
Sorry, please introduce yourselves.
Arey, you get introduced. You are.
I said I'm Bhumi. Where do I get them? There.
There,
Give your names. Come on.
Hi, I'm Ankita. Hi, I'm Jessica.
Hi, Jessica and Ankita. We have to kill it. Yeah? Okay. Oh, hi, Mohit. Okay, now 1 second before we start.
Yes.
All of this, 8 rows. Show me the picture.
The
Okay.
map is there. Okay,
Here.
who keeps the timer?
I'll give the timer.
क्या है top view? Okay, I'm ready. Ready?
Start. You have to make it here. Arey, you have to make it there.
Okay, and the time starts
Okay,
now.
I'm.
Arey, that is the
Time
pot.
okay?
Where the pot is going to be.
So don't confuse. Where's the map thing? Okay, wait. Where is the pot? No, I think we are really going wrong. Okay. What is this? But how will? Wait. It's dark.
Come on, I'll cheer them up. Come on.
No. Now bigger one. Yeah. Now one big, two small.
Well done.
Bus. Okay, now this wall, yeah?
So what? ये दीवार छोटी रहेगी क्या?
Come. Start passing me the block.
Looking at the time, na?
1 minute has been over now. 1 minute 7 seconds.
No, you have to work on that.
This toilet is a little too open.
Big.
Come on, Bhumi.
Come God, guys, you have to win this.
Very good, very good.
Big one, big one, big one.
I know, I know.
No, this we only start. I do not work on that. No. Yeah. You get a smaller one quickly. What is going on with the toilet?
Acha, tell me something.
Hey, this is okay, huh? Why, Mama?
अरे तो कोई भी साइड से आएगा क्या?
Don't stop it, sir. No. We need two big ones.
So everybody can see what
One
is.
more big one. Is it the same height? Okay, now wait. Help me push this inside, okay? Fuck. Sit! Where's the seat? Thanks.
Do. But I can look at this. I can look at her.
Well done. Well done. I really want Jessica,
But-
Ankita and Mohin. Wow, I
Team Bhumi,
remember.
good job. One more time for Team Bhumi. Chalo.
This was tougher.
Okay, so the
This
time
was
to
tougher
beat
than
is.
shooting the film, guys.
2 minutes 50 seconds.
Yes.
So now what? Who's going to put it back?
So while we dismantle it, can you guys come back
Okay.
here?
You
Amazing.
make sure that it's kept वैसे ही, like all the big
Yeah,
blocks
yeah, of
there,
course.
small- Commode उधर पीछे
We
है.
will be very fair to Team Bhumi.
It doesn't matter. He's still going to win it. He'll carry 4 blocks together.
Okay, so while we dismantle this, coming back to toilet.
Yeah.
Okay. So the message of the movie is obviously very, very strong. What you inspire to do. But what?
Can I?
Yeah. So well, obviously fans are going to be very, very, happy to see the movie and very excited to see the message.
let's read some.
Let's see.
Okay,
read the
well,
fan
let's
comments
read
and
it.
yeah, please.
Shravan Vandar कहते हैं, you are so cute.
Oh, thank you, Shravan.
ऋषिकेश शिवाचानी कहते हैं, कभी कभी तो लगता है हमारी मदर लैंग्वेज हिंदी नहीं इंग्लिश है.
क्यों?
ओहो हम
आप हमारी फिल्म देखो, ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं लगेगा आपको.
विजय दी प्लीज सर टेक माय स्वीट डॉटर नेम हर नेम दिवांशी हाय दिवांशी. सनी सिंह लव यू सर. रिडी डॉन वेल डन. अश्विन कुमार नाइस जॉब सर. आयुष मिश्रा सिंग इज किंग. Pritam Sen, Bhumi ma'am, I'm a big fan of yours. I hope I get to meet you someday. With love from Kolkata. बोलो कुछ उनके.
Thank you, Preetam. I also hope that we get to meet someday.
आशीष गुप्ता कहते हैं, Hey Haki sir and Bhumi ma'am, people will just speak in front of
Did
you
he say
that we
hockey?
should do that. This for promoting toilets in rural, but will not do anything. Okay, तब तो ऊपर चला गया.
Hi.
Bhakti M. Loke, sir, thanks for your awesome movies. Your movies are like motivation. Okay. Thank you very much. Cherry Boom Boom. Akshay sir, please call my name once. It's Osin Tajo. Osin Tajo, pleasure talking to you. I'll be grateful if you say that. Okay.
Oh God, that's a little.
Come on, now you read some.
I love you, so I came 47 times. Okay, let me not read that. I came.
What? What's wrong with you? पागल है क्या?
No, he said I came under your house 47 times.
Okay,
I
forget
think
it.
you should only read it.
Forget it.
I don't think I should.
Vivek Pal कहता है, sir, please tell me a thing. How can reach this message to village area? Vivek Pal ji, this is going to go to villages because हमारी सरकार इसके ऊपर बहुत कुछ करने वाली है. I hope and इस फिल्म को villages में I hope दिखाया जाए लोगों को free of cost villages के अंदर ताकि लोग समझे इसको. So very soon this is going to happen and I also pray that it happens. Shivam Bhatt, Aki sir, you are an inspiration for people. Okay, fitness. Thank you very much, Shivam ji. Devangi Doshi, Aki, I love you. The topics you choose, okay? Thank
Avinash
you very
Arya,
much.
I've seen Sogan. He sees Sogan bar, like every day. Tell him to thank him. First
Okay,
film.
yeah. And yeah.
So I hope you've rested enough now.
So
You're
Team
ready.
Akshay is
Oh, okay, Team Bhumi, we need to do some major sledging. Where are they?
Team
Okay,
Bhumi
like
is
major.
Okay.
Major.
Okay, where's my team?
So Team Akshay. Come on, everyone, cheer for Team Akshay.
Come on. All right, this is my team.
And
This is the winning team. All right.
And this
So
is Team Akshay's mic.
yeah. So we don't need the mic because we'll be working, and after making the toilet, this is how they make us become slow. All right.
so 3,
2,
1.
you both there. Come on.
Go!
But
come
first,
on.
go
Yeah.
first,
Nahi. Hey, no.
Hey, shit!
First, make the toilet.
Can we go Team Akshay?
Oh my God.
Akshay.
Oh wow! Bhumi! Oh my God! Wow!
Okay, go.
What precision! I must see what precision. Wow!
अरे ऐसा नहीं.
Oh wow! What happened? They are clicking pictures. Team Bhumi.
एक मिनट वहाँ मत लगाओ वहाँ मत.
Okay, they're fast, huh? They're really fast.
No, don't put there.
Go Team Akshay.
Put the small one.
वाह क्या बाथरूम है
1 minute.
वाह 1 minute up or left वाह where are you going to reach
No, start making
time
that one.
1 minute, 40 seconds.
1 minute, 30 seconds.
Getting very anxious
Here. बड़ा वाला.
1 minute, 45 seconds.
they've got it yeah they are done no okay fine is it 2 minutes 2 minutes it's still not 2 minutes
2 minutes.
बड़ा वाला.
Your time was 2 minutes, 45 seconds.
Hey!
Only more seconds to catch up.
oops
बड़ा वाला. हट जा ए! नहीं बड़ा वाला.
oops
2 minutes, 20 seconds.
हो गया. छोटा वाला. हो गया.
no
हो गया. हाँ.
नहीं कैसा
हमने ऐसे ही टॉयलेट बनाना है. चीटिंग.
And time's up. Time up.
So
I think time
One more time for Team Akshay.
time yeah what sort of a toilet is this
this is okay. Let me tell you, this
and
is
1 second I sat also on the pot and tab
This
time
is-
up hua he's not even finished his business
4/4 का 100
yeah
टॉयलेट. और मैं आपको बताऊं, इसने जो टॉयलेट बनाया था उसके अंदर छेद था, यहाँ से लोग देख सकते थे.
नहीं था oh because this is so
Am I not?
perfect
You could even come from there and you can stand and watch.
I'm sorry I will not take this against my team members
But
Okay.
who don't care
I think review.
Okay. So
need
how
a
many
review.
people do you think Team Bhumi should win?
what
Make some noise if you
What?
think Team Bhumi should win.
what
Okay.
what
And now how many people? Make some noise if you think
One
Team
for the
Akshay should
team.
win.
But it was a close competition, it was tight.
Baba, come on, Bhumi.
It's very fragile.
But this I made it for you, so you have won. Because the whole idea is to make toilet for you because आपको toilet बनाना नहीं आया. चल बैठ
And this will break.
नहीं गिरेगा. Sir, thank you, ladies. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you for helping me.
Cheating हुई आज मेरे साथ.
But I must say, Bhumi,
Amazing.
आप बहुत अच्छा टॉयलेट बनाती हैं.
Thank you.
I think आप दोनों बहुत अच्छा टॉयलेट बनाते हैं इनफैक्ट.
You know, actually, what? Because I went first and we figured out the way it has to be done. That's why they finished sooner.
No,
I'm just a bad
the most
sport.
important,
Okay, guys, I'm
the
just
most
a bad
important
sport.
thing was you didn't look at that mark there. That mark was supposed to be. You have to put the.
Because I'm not Teja, sir. Sorry, bad one.
Oh, माँ किधर है? तेजा में.
I'm very embarrassed.
Please, guys, comment on it. ये जो joke इसने बोला है, please comment on it.
Okay. So please ask your fans to send in some questions and please answer some fan questions. They would love it.
From here?
Please ask us some epic questions.
So we're also hunting for some questions.
It's really cold in your office, I must say.
Basically, our
Very.
mobile, the
I'm
thing is
freezing.
off.
Okay, my first question is to Bhumi actually. Bhumi, working with Akshay sir, what was the first reaction when someone told you that you'll be in a movie with the Akshay Kumar? What was the
You know, when I'd heard
reaction?
the script, I had no idea that Akshay sir was going to be a part of it. And I had loved it. I'd anyways loved it, right? And then when I heard that Akshay sir was going to do it, I was literally jumping with joy because I don't think anybody could make this character as legendary as Akshay sir has made it.
Okay, नितिन तिवारी जी आपको पूछते हैं. Thanks for coming live. Bhumi ji, please share your thoughts about cleanliness too. All the best for your movie. बोलिए.
Thank you, Nitin ji. Cleanliness, देखिए, firstly, I really believe that cleanliness begins at home. Our film is dealing with sanitation issues and hygiene issues, but it also is dealing with. But it also is dealing with a cleanliness that our society needs, There's a mentality that our country suffers from. We are so attached to our roots and to our culture that we aren't really evolving at the speed that we need to as a society. So cleanliness for me is actually changing the way you think for the better. And what else? Ho gaya na? Chalo, next question.
Okay, Bhumi ma'am, how was your experience working with Aki sir? And Aki sir, I love you. Vicky Sinha ji पूछ रहे हैं.
Vicky ji, my experience was fantastic. You saw the amount of fun we had building this toilet. Literally, we had that much fun building our film. And every day was just amazing. Akshay sir is one of the nicest people I've met. And I'm also an Akian now.
अविनाश आर्या जी पूछ रहे हैं एक dialogue madam.
I think all these questions are for you and you're just chapooing them on me. Ek dialogue. If
Bhumi,
you...
see Bhumi
No,
was.
I will ask now.
But they're all the
You
questions.
can't ask yourself. ये पूछ रहे हैं.
Avinash, your question is for you and we would love it if you do one dialogue.
About what?
One dialogue from the movie.
बीवी पास चाहिए तो घर में संडास चाहिए. बीवी पास चाहिए तो घर में संडास चाहिए. And ऐसे बहुत सारे lines हैं. Okay, what are you doing now?
I'm actually really bad at this. So I
so my
think you
question-
just...
okay, so
Why don't you ask?
So one question is, if you had to describe this movie to people who live in rural areas in the country, how will you describe them? You can use your native language or Hindi.
Well,
or
I
something
would
else.
just मैं उन सभी को यही कहना चाहूँगी कि पहली बात तो आपको ये फिल्म देख के बहुत ही ज़्यादा मज़े आएंगे. ये 2.5 घंटे का ऑल आउट एंड आउट एंटरटेनर है. हंस के आप लोटपोट हो जाएंगे. पर साथ ही आप एक इतनी बड़ी दिक्कत जो हमारा देश जिससे गुजर रहा है, जिससे आप गुजर रहे हैं, आप हमारी फिल्म उसके बारे में बात करेगी और बहुत ही हल्के फुल्के तरीके से आप तक ये मैसेज पहुंचेगा.
क्या कहते हैं, सुशील जी पूछ रहे हैं कि आप लखनऊ आई थी तो आपको लखनऊ कैसा लगा?
जी, मुझे बहुत ही बढ़िया लगा लखनऊ. कुछ ही घंटों के लिए वहाँ थे, पर that was for him, right?
नहीं
So
यार.
what were you doing अभी?
सर ये देखिए इधर लिखा हुआ है.
I
Ma'am,
will-
you are
I-
right. Only
ask her
Akshay.
questions. Everybody wants to know what you want to know, say.
See, Akshay sir, please, can you say I love you, Bushra Malik? Make my day.
You said it.
I love you, Bushra Malik.
Make my day. Say that also.
Make my day. Which was the best moment in the movie, Bhumi ji?
Best moment in the movie was when Sir, there's this scene in the film where Sir has this long one-take monologue. For me, that is like the most epic.
Simran Jain कह रहे हैं, sir, my uncle loves you a lot. Can you repeat his name? His name is Baba Gip Gapambam Das. This is what she's
Baba give what?
Baba Gip Gapambam Das.
Baba give Bapambam Das.
Gapambam नहीं है, Gapambam है.
Baba give Gagambam.
Then
Akshay,
would be a
just stop
major
it,
to a
yeah.
country, yeah. So, yeah.
Amazing. Firstly, thank you so much to the both of you for spending your day at the Facebook office and coming and
Thanks
talking
for
to
having
us
us
and all
over
your
here.
fans about Toilet. Before we can let you go, one last message आपके सारे fans के लिए.
So one last message I'm going to say is, guys, the movie is releasing on 11th of August. That is Kal, and go book your tickets and Paytime with Paytime and enjoy the movie. It is funny. It's an essential movie. Please go with your family. Go with your parents. Go with your nana, nani, dada, dadi. और खास करके उन लोगों को दिखाओ जिनकी समझ अभी तक नहीं आया कि शौचालय का होना औरतों के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, बिकॉज औरतें हैं जो बहुत सफ़र करती हैं. लेकिन ये फिल्म हमने जो बनाई है ये एक बहुत हास्य कथा के हिसाब से बनाई है और सच्ची कथा है ये. सो गाइज एंजॉय योरसेल्फ. थैंक यू. आप
Well, मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी कि टॉयलेट एक प्रेम कथा मेरे लिए वन ऑफ द ग्रेटेस्ट लव स्टोरीज है. So I can't now. वो जो भी अक्षय सर ने कहा मैं डिट्टो वही कहना चाहती हूँ.
अरे बोल ना. Come on.
Okay. Guys, Toilet Ek Prem Katha genuinely is one of the greatest love stories that I have read or come across. ये एक ऐसी फिल्म है जो आपको 2.5 घंटे तक बहुत ज़्यादा हंसाएगी. आप प्यार की भावना से आपका मन भर आएगा, पर साथ ही साथ ये एक आपको बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट मैसेज भी देगी. एंड आई प्रॉमिस यू फिल्म जब आप थिएटर से निकलेंगे आपके चेहरे पे एक बहुत बड़ी मुस्कुराहट होगी, पर एट द सेम टाइम यू विल हैव दिस फीलिंग ऑफ चेंज. यू विल वांट टू चेंज थिंग्स इन योर कंट्री. सो प्लीज गो वॉच इट.
रजत वैष्णव कहते हैं we live near Indore, which is the city number 1 in cleanliness. I congratulate you guys taking Indore for having your city number 1, and we want to thank you, sir, and you're an inspiration, Bhumiji, for your stories and the kind of things you choose. So that's
Thank
very
you
good.
so much. That's very sweet.
Okay,
Thank you.
so yep. That's it.
Sir, would you say something about where can viewers book the ticket this Friday? Where can they go and book the ticket?
I just said it.
Paytm karo. I've sang the jingle as well.
All right, so that is.
So it's time to say bye-bye to the fans.
So thank you very much. This is Bhumi and Akshay along with cameraman Ranjit Chaudhary.
Bye-bye.
Bye guys. This was so much fun. Thank you, Facebook. We had a great time. Thank you.
So much.
Thank you very much.